Bento box is everywhere in Taiwan. Every town has their flavor, different flavor.
Your grandma was the first lady in Fulong to make bento box.
Before the city years ago. Actually, in Fulong, nobody make this because the fishermen. In the morning, they want to buy something. You can in the 中餐 lunch， 等于他要吃得饱。Because my grandma， 因为我们的店当初在这边的时候，它是开阿嬷什么都有卖，包含炒米粉啊，各式各样的那种小吃都有卖。但是因为钓客反映是吃不饱，因为他们真的吃不饱。I just want to show my grandma Fulong Bento in the Taiwan. I want to show everybody this we're lunchbox. 希腊家的便当就是因为调味都是不一样的，调味是完全不同的。但是大家的菜色因为都属于模仿会学，所以说基本上它的菜都是抄到差不多的样子。最多在海洋音乐季，we sell 了2000 one day. Because have 音乐季怎么讲呢 ？Normally maybe 500. We just one kind famous. And we have a vegetarian. And 这个大概30年的历史，素食的话有30年的历史。Because we have a friend in the mountain and they just eat vegetarian. So my grandma you have a vegetarian. Sorry, say. Yeah, really exciting. 我非常开心，有这次的机会可以到这个我们的台铁的便当节，然后能够宣传这个阿嬷传统最早的古早味。目前是只有我这边开始，妈妈是第二代。My mom is the second, and I third. How to say? 第三代怎么讲呢 ？This year is my business.
Do you think maybe you will change bento box flavor, the style, to make it more modern, contemporary?
Actually, I want to 我需要保持它，然后我可能会再设计一些更新的产品，但是传统这个东西会一直保持不变。I think it's very good because I find everybody is really good and I want to learn more things.